Okay, so let's create a 2x4. Let's do it on the ground. So I'm gonna just do a rectangle here, and I'm gonna put in 1.5 comma 3.5. Okay, and then that small rectangle over there, we're gonna just pull it up, and we're gonna type in 8 feet. Okay. And then we're going to triple click 1, 2, 3, and then make it a group. Um, this is going to be part of the roof, and I want it to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna get my paint, and I'm gonna select my paint color, um, and change it to something darker, like dark gray. This one here, and then simply paint over it. Okay, close this or minimize that, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on top here. I'll rotate this first on the blue axis, 90 degrees, and then I'm going to move this and touch it from this corner and put it on top here. There you go. And then I'm going to do a rotate. Where's my rotate here? Oh, here we go. Rotate on the blue axis. On the green axis. And use your arrows to change the axis. Click on the corner, and then click on the end, and then you're going to like sort of match the angle of the roof here. Okay, let's move this again because it's too far. So I'll just move this first. Try to zoom in and make sure you are in corners. If you're too far, then I accidentally made a copy. I'm just going to delete this. There you go. Oh, so I'm going to rotate, select this, and press your arrow to change. Click on it, and then click on this other end here in the corner. Whoop, and then point to this inner corner here. There you go. Like that. Now it's aligned with the roof. Okay, now it's aligned with the roof. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to actually do is I want this top corner to be here. So I'll just move this, select first, move, and click this here and put that on this top corner. Just move first. Oh, right, so you can see they're aligned now. Very hard to work with the mouse. I don't know what's happening with. Okay, so you can see they're aligned now. And I wanted to cut this straight. So I'm going to double click the group to edit it. And I'm going to get my line and then draw and then go down on the blue. So it should say blue. If it doesn't say blue, don't click. So you may need to go up first to find the blue axis. Up, sorry. Once you click on the group, it creates its own axis. So we're going to close the group first and then draw outside of it, blue. There you go. And then double click on it. And then draw another line on the same line you just created, like that. And then you can use your push and pull to pull or push onto the end, and it'll cut the wood for you. We're gonna go ahead and save this. I named it shed H, right? So right click, post to group, and then there's actually a line here that we won't need. We're gonna delete that later, but what we're going to do next is we are going to raise that up 2 inches. I think is fine. So we're gonna raise this up. So move first, select this, move, click this corner, and raise it up 2 inches. So while you're moving, type in 2 and then press enter. Now it's 2 inches above. Now we're going to erase this line here that we created a while ago that we don't need anymore. There you go. So now you have your roof raised 2 inches. Actually, yeah, yeah, that's fine. Okay. And what we're going to do next is we are going to cut this at a particular angle. Okay. Um, so to cut this at a particular angle, we have to measure 8 feet from the very top. So we're gonna draw this line from here, go down on the axis, and then type in 8 feet. 8 feet. Okay, which is here, which is fine. 8 feet is fine. Um, oh, I think it's better to cut it maybe because we're gonna have an angle here. We just cut it 7 feet. So I'm gonna just undo first and then draw another line and then just change my mind here. But click here, go down, and you'll see it might say it's gonna be extended edge, and then you're gonna see a purple line there. Let's just type in 7 feet, press enter, and then this is where 7 feet is. Where you have it end, you're gonna go straight down on the blue. There you go, blue. You have to wait for the blue. There you go, blue. Hold your shift and then go down until you see that line going straight down. Okay, it must be going straight vertically down. And then you're gonna click your select and then double click. And then we're going to draw another line so we can use this line to cut the 2x4. Okay, and then use your push and pull, and then go ahead and push until you go to the end here. Push until the end. Oh, push. If it doesn't work, then you can just erase the end like that. Mine, because I'm using mouse, it just selected something else. So, and then right click, close the group. So that's how it's supposed to look like. Okay. So do that first, and we'll continue.